So the whole construction is made of chipboard, coated chipboard. It's coated with plastic, so I can wipe off any dirt easily. And there you can see how it's made on top. I glued plastic to the edges, to all the edges that are visible. I didn't do that on the rear. And there you have all the wine and stuff like that that I keep in the kitchen. And there's more in the basement. So yeah, that's how it works. And so if I open the door of the fridge, let's open the door so you can see it's quite easy to get to all the stuff on the inside here, so you don't have to bend over, and it's much easier on your back if you load and unload and load the fridge, which I do on a daily basis, several times on a daily basis. 2 centimeters, and these are also 2 centimeters. On the inside, you see, on the inside there are these screwed to the sides and the top board. Here you see the top board and the sides screwed together, but there are more screws here on top, screwed through the top board. It's pre-drilled and then screwed to through the top board into the side board here. From behind it looks like this. You see, it's just screws. On the rear we have these screws that are securing together with other screws here. You can see that. You can see the screws there. These screws secure another board to the upper half of the construction of the stand or support, and the underside, the lower half is open, so air can circulate easily through the whole thing. And then up here, see, and the heat exchanger and the compressor and all other things that may heat up are unobstructed. So okay, so I hope this will give you the information you wanted.